What stayed hushed in the cellar of my chest slipped out tonight to find its rest. Through sleepless cracks of shadowed skies, your memory, it whispers, never dies. I ask the stars for a quiet reprieve, but they blink back truths I can't believe. A fair around me, lanterns and noise, but wintered silence steals my voice. Your name, your name, it drums so loud in this breath held quiet. No room for the crowd. What I kept under lock and key is breaking loose, demanding to be free. Love sent tides that refuse to lie, washing truths beneath my guarded eye. I beg the moon for peace tonight, but she pulled me into her tidal fight. A fair around me, lanterns and noise, but wintered silence steals my voice. Your name, your name, it drums so loud in this breath held quiet. No room for the crowd.